Statue of Liberty, a gift from France to the United States in 1886. This colossal neoclassical sculpture symbolizes freedom and democracy. Fela Kuti, known as the Liberation Statue, stands in Lagos, Nigeria. The statue symbolizes Fela's enduring spirit of resistance and cultural pride. Spring Temple Buddha is one of the tallest statues in the world. Standing at a towering height of 128 meters, Virgin Mary, revered in Christianity as the Mother of Jesus Christ, symbolizes purity, compassion, and unwavering faith. The Statue of Unity in Gujarat is the tallest statue in the world at 182 meters, honoring Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Christ the Redeemer, this 30-meter tall Art Deco statue of Jesus Christ, overlooks Rio de Janeiro from Mount Porto.
So this is a step-by-step guide on how you can make 100% free historical documentary videos that are viral. If you don't have any editing skills, don't worry. This video is for you because this video is going to guide you step by step. Even if you don't have any experience, we're going to use CapCut as our main editing tool and other completely free AI tools to generate this. So let's get straight to the video. This channel on YouTube called World TV Studio is my inspiration for today's video. If you go over to their video section, you'll see that almost all their videos are getting millions of views. Like this one has 29 million views, 80 million views, 16 million views, another 16 million views. And when you scroll down, you will see that this one has 50 million views, 10 million views. And before you ask if they are monetized, yes, they are. And according to Social Blade, this channel is earning $521 to $8,000 a month. I know that these values are very small based on experience. If I check myself, these values are way less to what content creators make. So when you come over to ChatGPT, type in this word, give me the list of the world's most popular statues, and ChatGPT gave me these results. Okay, Statue of Liberty, Christ the Redeemer, with a short story behind it. This is the short story that we are going to use. And you have the list of all the world statues in the world, and it even gave us a video reference to back it up with. So now, this video, because it's going to be 100% free, we are not going to use ChatGPT to generate the images because we have limitations in image generation. If you are using the free version of ChatGPT, we are going to use an AI tool that is completely free and can give us the images that you saw in the beginning of the video. And the name of the AI tool is called Piclumen. Type in Piclumen on your search bar or click the link in my description to be redirected to this page. Sign up with them and click on Launch App. Once you are brought to their dashboard, click on Create. Piclumen allows you to create consistent characters and very realistic images. So go to ChatGPT and type in this prompt. Give me a text prompt to describe the Statue of Liberty. And ChatGPT will give you a text prompt. Copy this text prompt. Go over to Piclumen and paste it. For you to get the exact result of what you're looking for, Piclumen allows you to upload an image. So after pasting the text prompt, click on Model Select, and it will allow you to select the type of model you want. For this, I am going to use the Flux-Depth model, and I'll click on it. Select your aspect ratio, click on aspect ratio and select the preferred one of your choice. Then click on the prompt helper, which allows you to upload an image reference. So when you click on it, you click on image reference and you upload image of the Statue of Liberty to help Piclumen know the exact image of what we want, and it allows Piclumen to give you consistent characters as well. So I'll click on choose a file and drop it here, and I'll upload the image that I want. And once you're done, you click here to start generating your images, which takes few seconds to be completed. So it gave us the image that we want, but I want it to be in a green background. This is the mistake that it made. So we have to ask ChatGPT to give us a test prompt. I'll put this image in a green background. So this is what I told ChatGPT. I want a test prompt to put the image in a green background and in a portrait mode. And ChatGPT gave us another test prompt. So this is a mistake from my own part and not from ChatGPT. Copy the test prompt, go over to Piclumen, paste it, select prompt helper, click on image reference, upload your file, go over to aspect ratio. This time around, we need 16, we need a portrait mode. So I'm going to select 16, 9:16. Piclumen also allows you to paste your prompt in other language in the auto translate section. So once you are done, you click on the generate and it will be queued. And this is exactly what you will get. And this is the results of what Piclumen has given to us. You can see the image details is very clear. So once you are done with that, all you have to do is to click here to download and it will be saved in your system. So the next step is to continue to ask ChatGPT to give you all the test prompts of the statues that it has provided, to give you the test prompt to generate the image of all the statues that it has provided in a portrait mode and in a green background. I'll tell you the reason why you need it to be in a green background later in this video. All of them needs to be in a green background and in a portrait mode, okay? So once you are done generating everything, the next thing to generate is the background image of the video. So this is the background image of the video, and this was gotten from Pinterest. And you don't know if it has copyright and you want to regenerate something like this, you can copy this image and do the same and ask ChatGPT to give you a text prompt that will allow you to generate this image, and then you generate it on Piclumen. So now that we have all our images on green screen and our background ready, all we have to do is to put everything together. So the first thing to do is to import all our images. So you come over to CapCut and click on import. So after importing everything, the first thing you have to add is your background. So click on it, click on the plus icon, increase the length to 5 minutes. Add your first image as a layer by clicking and dragging it to the screen on top of the background. It will be added like this. Move it to the beginning like this. Okay. Then click on it. Go to remove BG. Click on Chrome key and click on color picker and click on the green screen. Adjust the intensity and it will be reduced. Now, once you are done doing that, increase the length to 20 seconds. Go over to basic. Ensure your timeline indicator is in the beginning of the clip. Go over to position where you see position and click on add a keyframe. This particular one, click on it. Come over to the end of the screen and move the image till it leaves the screen, and another keyframe will automatically be added. As you can see, this is highlighted. Now, come over to the beginning of the screen, highlight the image layer, go over to mask, click on add mask, and click on this particular one that says split. When you click on it, rotate it to 180 degrees. So this is 180. After rotating it to 180, move it down and make sure the line is at the bottom here. Then scroll down and add a keyframe here. Okay, select this, add a keyframe here, move it to 3 seconds of the clip. So this is 3 seconds of the clip. Move this up to the end. This is the end, and another keyframe will automatically be added. So now, if we play it, this is the result of what you will see. So click on this particular one, the first one that you have done, Control C to copy it, and Control V to paste it, and paste it on 10 seconds mark. Then, once you are done doing that, select your second image. So my second image is this one. Drag it and drop it on top of this until it asks you to replace clip, and select replace clip. Once you select replace clip, it will automatically be added on that place that you copied and pasted the 10 seconds mark. So now, if we play it, this is what we are going to see. As you can see, you don't have to do any editing again, which is simply amazing. All your editing is on the first image, and it will be added to the other clips as far as you're copying and pasting. Now, for this second one, click on it again, Control C it and Control V it, and make sure it is on the 10 seconds mark. For this one is, so you place it on 20, place it on 10 seconds mark again. So 10 seconds for each layer. So for this first one, it is under 10 seconds. And for this one, it will be under 20 seconds. If you are using the general timing here, so it will be 10 seconds for here, which is this place, 20 seconds for here, which is around this place, if you understand what I mean. So this is what you have to do. And now you have a duplicate of this image. Go over to your imports and select the third image, which is this one. Drag it and place it on top until it asks you to replace. Click on replace. So this is what you need to do. Very simple. As you can see, this is very beautiful. Okay. So once you're done adding everything, all you have to do is to add a sound effect or a background music. To add a background music that is historical, go over to audio, click on it, and type in heroic cinematic. Once you type in heroic cinematic, you have so many options presented to you. Scroll down and click the one that you want. Listen to them. To adjust the volume, make sure that these red signs are not showing, and we need to ensure that the background music is not overlapping the voiceover. Some of you were asking me about copyright in my previous video using CapCut. To make sure there is no copyright issues with the audio that you just pasted, under that audio section, you see copyright. Click on it and run a copyright check, and they will tell you that you passed the copyright, so you can use this video on any platform. So the last thing remaining is for us to paste our scripts, which is the history of the statues. So we already have our scripts ready. So I'll copy these ones, then go over to your Microsoft Word and paste your scripts. So arrange your script in a way that you want it to appear. So for me, I have arranged all my scripts and I want it to be in this format. So now we have to use a free audio generator, which can be 11 labs, although they are paid version. But for the purpose of this video, the free version should be able to do this completely for free, because the free version gives you 10,000 credits. Okay. So what we need to do is to copy this, then come over to 11 labs, click on text to speech, paste your speech, and select the voice of your choice. So go over to voices and select the voice of your choice. For me, I'm going to use a customized voice called UC. Then I'll click on generate speech. So after generating your speech, let's listen to it and see
From
how it
France to the United States in 1886, this colossal neoclassical sculpture
and this
symbolizes
is
freedom.
beautiful. I'm going to download it by clicking here. It will be downloaded on our system. Then go over to CapCut, scroll to the beginning, go over to import, media import, and import your audio. Then you add it. Now you have to click on it and adjust the volume and adjust the voiceover to match with the statues. So let's do it. So after adjusting your audio to match with the script, this is the result of what we are going to get.
Statue of Liberty, a gift from France to the United States in 1886. This colossal neoclassical sculpture symbolizes freedom and democracy. Fela Kuti, known as the Liberation Statue, stands in Lagos, Nigeria. The statue symbolizes Fela's enduring spirit of resistance.
And obviously, you're going to get the results of what you saw in the beginning of the video. All right, guys, if you enjoyed this video so far, please do not forget to give me a like and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.